Hey y'all, I'm Rhea and I have the most exciting news ever. So, as you all know, there is this awesome cleanse called the Quantum Vetox 28-Day Cleanse, okay, by vPhase Body Cleanse. And I must say it is amazing. Back in September, I actually did the cleanse and it worked wonders for me. I'm telling you, I had vertigo. I was suffering from syncope and pre-syncope, acid reflux, joint pain. I had shortness of breath, just coming up maybe a couple of stairs. It was just crazy. Okay, so for those of you who don't know what vertigo or syncope and pre-syncope is, vertigo is basically when you have issues with your balance. There's dizziness, there's migraine headaches. At times I would get up and I would actually start walking at an angle because I couldn't keep my balance. Also syncope and pre-syncope, that's when you don't get enough oxygen to your brain. Now, the difference between pre-syncope and syncope is that pre-syncope, you can pass out. However, you'll be conscious and well aware of everything that's going on around you. However, you will not be as alert as you should be. Syncope is when you pass out and you're just unconscious. Okay. So I did the 28-day cleanse and I no longer have issues with my vertigo. I also have anxiety, depression, and PTSD. I haven't had a panic attack since I did the cleanse back in September. So this is my second cleanse. I'm about to do it again. I'm going to be participating in the January 2020, y'all, I'm so excited, I tongue-tied. Okay, so I'm going to be participating in the January 2021 New Year, New Me Quantum Vetox 28-Day Cleanse, and it's going to be amazing. Just imagine, if I feel great after the first cleanse, imagine what the second cleanse gonna do for me. Yeah. Snug as a bug in a rug in her. Look at that. So, let's see what this is. Okay, so here are the contents of the Quantum Vetox 28-Day Cleanse Kit. So here you have bentonite clay. Bentonite clay is just awesome, okay? It's just boom. So what bentonite clay does is it absorbs toxins such as heavy metals, radiation. I mean, come on now, you can't beat that. Radiation, we on cell phones and computers all day. Wi-Fi, okay? This is so amazing. Now, it starts out dry because it's volcanic, aged volcanic bentonite clay. Once it becomes wet, it's negatively charged. So that's what causes it to be able to absorb toxins and all of that stuff like that. This bentonite clay here is actually hydrated with alkaline water, and it actually increases the properties of this bentonite clay. It's amazing. Okay, so moving on. So this is the psyllium husk. Okay, psyllium husk is a bulking agent, fiber. Okay, no matter if it's still in this form like this, once you put it in your shake, it can still pass through the digestive system pretty easy. So what's going to happen is, once this goes into your system and it starts going down your digestive tract, it's going to kind of, I wouldn't say mold your intestines. It's going to help loosen up the mucoid plaque and the excess feces that's in your colon. So basically, for example, if it goes down, it does this pretty much. in your digestive system. Okay, so that's like, now that's like basically, it's basically massaging you from the inside. How cool is that? Okay, yeah. Now keep in mind, when you are consuming psyllium husk, you have to stay hydrated. It's very important that you stay hydrated. Okay, this gets thick in room temperature water, which is actually pretty awesome. So now, also in the kit, we have the herbs. Now these herbs are in capsules, as you can see, and there are 41 different herbs in these capsules. Okay, it's pretty awesome. Now you should be seeing a few of those items right here of the herbs that's in this. It's so cool, isn't it? Who'd have thought? This is pretty awesome. And it's all organic. It's natural. It's organic, you know, and you can actually, even when you finish your cleanse, you can still take these if you have any left. It's actually pretty cool. So the kit comes with also 2 alkaline test strips. So you're going to test your alkaline to see how, see if you've gotten your body into an alkaline state with these. You know, so it's pretty cool. So I'll be showing you a picture of a chart as well. So this is actually so awesome. Okay. Now, it comes with 2 scoops as well. This scoop right here is for your bentonite clay. This is a tablespoon. And this is a teaspoon. This is for your psyllium husk. So this is actually, it's really all you need. Now it does come with the shaker. You know, now as I said before, this is my second cleanse. So I already have a shaker. So now I do want to explain why I decided to cleanse. So as I stated before, I had quite a few ailments, and my children comes to my mind. You know, if it wasn't for this cleanse, I'd be dead. Okay, let's just keep it real. I'd be dead if it wasn't for this cleanse. So I wanted to get myself better from the inside out, so I want to be there for my children. You know, I want to see them grow. I want to see them accomplish their goals. You know, just everything. Like, this cleanse is not only a life changer, a lifesaver, but it is also a lifestyle. And I've made it a part of my lifestyle, and I really believe you should too. I highly recommend this cleanse. And I'm excited to be taking part in the January 2021 New Year, New Me Quantum Vetox 28-day cleanse. So, I mean, if you want to get yourself together, get yourself healthy from the inside out, I mean, there's no other cleanse on the market like this. So if you want to get yourself healthy from the inside out, do this cleanse. Do this cleanse. I mean, it's amazing. Like right now, I feel amazing. And even after the cleanse, like a couple of days after, I still would release mucoid plaque for like maybe a couple of days. And I continue to shed, you know, weight off of my face and everything, you know, like, I mean, get this. This is a little baggy on me now. It works. It really works. So, you guys, I'm excited. I want you all to try this cleanse. You'll love it. You'll love it. And I'm telling you, after this, you're going to be trying to get your family members on board too. So, I mean, just go for it. So you guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing video. And I really hope, I pray that you give this a try. It works. It really does. Peace out.